In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, go to contacts if you are not in this area, and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select the edit icon and click on camera icon at the top of the list. And you can either take a photo, so if someone is sitting right in front of you, that's just the perfect pic. And if you have something in your gallery, just pick choose photo. Select gallery or photos, it's up to you. And now pick the picture that you want to apply. You can customize it smoothly, so you can crop it, rotate it, just do whatever you want to and however you would like to see it once someone is calling you. And then tap on confirmation mark. Click on save then, and as you can see, that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.